I want to continue to give you some more information about LinkedIn and how important it is for building your personal brand and for getting a job, whatever job you're looking for. LinkedIn is the #1 website that you need. 94% of recruiters use it as their primary recruiting tool, and it should be your #1 tool. I briefly talked about how you can build connections by inviting everybody on all of your email lists to follow you and to connect with you. Make sure that you use that same expertise to gain endorsements. LinkedIn will search through the resume that you have uploaded, and they will suggest skills that match your keyword, and they will ask your connections if they want to endorse you for that. And that's really powerful because that will really show how you are perceived, what your personal brand is, how others perceive you, and what your skill set is, and that's really important. You can also request referrals or references, and by that you'll go to the place on LinkedIn, and it'll say, ask so-and-so for a referral, and you click the button, and you can send someone through LinkedIn a note or an invitation to please send me a recommendation, and it'll be very simple. You write just a few words, and they'll do all the work. But that really is important. One of the best ways to build your own recommendations and endorsement is to recommend and endorse somebody else. It's a gift. So that what you do is you contact all your database and you write a short referral or recommendation or endorsement for them, and they're going to be notified. They're going to look at it, they're going to be honored and excited, and most likely they will turn around and write a referral or a recommendation or endorsement for you. That's the secret behind building these social proof, is what it's called, on your LinkedIn page, having other people endorse you, and that will come through you proactively reaching out to them and giving them the gift of a recommendation or endorsement. They will most likely turn around and return the gift back to you. So it's a very, very powerful tool. Two other tools that are very powerful on LinkedIn is it can become a virtual blog. You have the opportunity to post short post, which is kind of an update, kind of a Facebook type of an update. I'm going to do this, I'm going to be at here, I've been just gotten this award or this recognition, whatever you want to post topical information. You can post questions, ask for referrals, etc., all on what are called posts. But if you click the other tab, it allows you to post articles. And think of this as a personal blog. You can write a thoughtful blog, an article of content, valuable content. You can interview people. You can write theories. Think of anything you would like to write an article for a blog, and you can write it and then you post it on your own page, your LinkedIn page, and all the people in your connectedness can find it. They can comment in your blog or your article. Make sure you have an impactful visual, because visuals are always more powerful, and LinkedIn will suggest some for you. You'll be able to find some, or you can go to some free graphic image sites, and you can find one to illustrate your blog post or your article. And this is important. I have articles or comments or questions that I posed years ago that I have hundreds of people who have commented on it, and you think of this as an evergreen blog post, which means it never grows old. People will see it today, tomorrow, a year from now, 2 years from now. So make sure whatever you put in an article is relevant, it is timeless, it is something that's not, a tactical thing like, gee, tomorrow I'm going to do something, or next week, but something that can have a long span of a lifetime and influence people. So you don't even have to go to the hassle of having your own blog if you use LinkedIn powerfully. And then once you've posted a blog post, anybody who finds it, you want to then follow them, like them, make a comment. If they make a comment, you can ask for opinion. Then you want to comment back on them, follow them, and then you start developing a relationship with people who are active on LinkedIn, liking and commenting on your posts. So you don't even have to bother with blogs. Blogs are a pain in the neck. You have to maintain them and update them. They're a lot of work. Whereas you can, once a week, post your own thoughtful article on LinkedIn, and you don't have to build traffic to your site. You have thousands and thousands and millions of people out there on LinkedIn who have the opportunity to come and see your site. This is just a few more of the valuable things that LinkedIn can do for you. I'm going to leave it like this because I have a lot more information. I couldn't possibly put it all on this video. So I want to make sure that I come back and I'll make a third post and I'll finish out the content. So thank you very much. This is Diane Huth, the Accidental Career Coach, with another simple secret to career success. And I'll be back shortly with a third video in the LinkedIn series. Thank you.